Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful day today. Nice and sunny, 0% chance of rain. It's 40 degrees right now. It's about 9 in the morning. It's supposed to get up to 53 today, which is pretty nice, but this jacket will be coming off quick. We are at Lake Rebecca Park Reserve. I'm not sure what town that is, but it's about 35 minutes from Minneapolis, west of Minneapolis. This trail is about 10.1 miles long. It is a horse trail, which the sign actually said the horse trail was closed, but I'm not on a horse, so I'm going anyway. All right, let's do this, guys. It's a beautiful day. Let's do it. All right, so I'm making a little diversion. There's the trail I was on that I planned on doing was just following the highway, and it was getting kind of annoying, hearing the roar of the cars constantly. So I found this little trail that goes off. It'd probably cut about a mile off. It's kind of like a little shortcut, but it takes me away from the highway. So I go more into like the middle of the park, which is going to be a lot more peaceful and serene, which is what I like. So here we go, let's do it. We'll be coming up on Lake Rat Tail, which sounds kind of interesting. Let's check it out. Looks like we got some deer tracks. Lots of them. Haven't seen any yet, but maybe I will. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Lake Rat Tail. Beautiful little wetlands. You can hear the Canadian goose honking away. I see a swan flying over there. I don't think I could get on camera, it's a little too far away. Beautiful. Here we go. This is interesting. Two trails meet here. It looks like a paved bike trail. And the trail I'm hiking meet up right here. And there's like some kind of monument. Happy Trails, Don Myron, 2012. No idea what this is. It must have been a famous equestrian out on the trail. Maybe one day they'll put a monument here myself. Yeah. Pretty cool. Well, there's a picnic table here as well. I'm gonna take a small break, eat something. Full disclosure, I have not eaten in almost 24 hours. I wasn't feeling very well yesterday, and I didn't eat breakfast this morning. I'm gonna sit down and eat some applesauce. Hello. Hello. Is there anybody in there? Okay, it rained all day yesterday. Pretty good. It rained pretty good yesterday. This is the first sign of that rainfall I've come across all day. It's kind of nice. because if it was all like this all day, I don't know if I would have made it. Probably would have turned back. Because this is pretty terrible right now. You. I don't know if you can see these. I think they might be goose tracks or something. I don't know. This is pretty nice. The forest just kind of opened up into this nice prairie / wetlands area. Pretty cool. Looks like they did some kind of controlled burn or something here. Very interesting. This ground here looks a little maybe charred. Yeah, it's a little controlled burn and make sure that some grass fires don't start up. Interesting. It's a gorgeous little area, little tiny little pond with some geese on it. Beautiful little area. Hear the frogs croaking in the background. I don't know if you can hear that on the camera. All right, everybody, we're arriving back at the parking lot. I'll have to say, you can probably see the cars and hear the traffic, but a lot of it was right next to that road. It was kind of annoying. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend this trail, but there were a couple points where I got some nice solitude. It was a beautiful day. I guess that kind of made up for it. Let's see what we got here. 7 miles in 2 hours and 38 minutes. I question the accuracy of that. I use Gaia GPS to track my trails. Let me know if you think it's accurate or not, but I question it sometimes. Because when I mapped it out, it said 10 miles, and I feel like I did more than 7. All right. That's it. Beautiful day.